Hey, good morning, everyone. Good afternoon. Good evening. It's been a very long time. I've been here and I'm super excited that I'm back today. Now, for those of you who are here for the first time, I'd like you to have your seats and, if possible, have a jotter, have a book where you can write all the things I'm going to share with you this very early morning. And then you can help me indicate if you can hear me clearly. Let me know. Just write it in the comments so I can know. Because sometimes the audio can be down and I'll be speaking here without knowing that I have been totally off. All right. So let me know in the comments, and also do well to let me know of your location. Kindly drop it in the comments. Let me know of your location. Where are you watching me from? Where are you joining this live session from? I'm going to share something very powerful with you. Yes, I can see somebody from Kenya. I can see Nigeria. A lot of you guys are joining from different parts of the world. And that is why whenever I come online, I like to start by saying good morning, good afternoon, good evening because of our different locations. Thank you guys for joining Ghana, Somalia. You can see Benin City from Nigeria, Botswana, India. Okay, now that I know my audio is loud and I'm going to start by saying I don't take any one of you for granted here. It's an amazing opportunity for me to always share with you guys. Now, I've been away for some time. I've been preparing for a lot of things, and I've been also trying to create an avenue where a lot of us can get to benefit more of the Forex market. All right. Now, take a look at what we have on the screen. I titled this video Mastering Trade Exit. Let me type it for you so you can see. Mastering Trade Exit. Now, imagine me coming back from my break, and the first trade I am taking is not reaching my take profit, but then it's coming back to my exit. All right. That's my entry is coming back straightforward. But then I want to show you how you can master some of these basic things that will help you. Now, I titled the video Mastering, right, Trade Exit. It's not enough that you master how to execute trades, but also you need to learn how to exit trade. All right. Can all of you see this right up? All right. Let me make it more visible. It's larger now. It's not enough that you know how to take the trade. It's not enough that you know how to accurately take the trade. You also need to know how to exit trade. Yes, that is what makes you a profitable trader, especially those of you who are sitting within the confine of intraday trading, or you trade within a day to make your profit and be out of the market. I'm going to make another video on this topic differently, but then this is the live session and it's happening live. I took a first trade after my break this morning. You can see on Euro USD. This is the trade. I'm going to show you the analysis from beginning to the end on Euro USD, but then I want you to see how this happened. It happened very, very swift. Now, two things I want you to also understand is that nobody has control over this market. You are not the one that has control over the market, and so you don't see the future. You have to use your intelligence and you have to use your wisdom to shield yourself from the effect or the negative effects of the market. All right. So I took this trade very early today. Let me show you. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. What do we see? What do we see on the 4-hour time frame? What can you say is the direction of Euro USD? What can you say is the direction on the 4-hour? Or let me just go to the daily. What can you say is the directional bias of Euro USD? Type it in the comments so I can see. What is the direction? What is the direction? You need my help? Send me a message on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp link is in the description of this video. Send me a message on WhatsApp. That is all you can do if you need my help. Short. Somebody said bearish. Okay. downtrend, bearish, downtrend, bearish, downtrend. Guys, please, if you have any community, share this live session with your community, with your friends. Let everybody join. It's bearish, it's bullish. Okay, somebody said bullish, now bullish, bearish, 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 bearish. Short-term sell, short-term sell, short-term sell, downtrend. Okay, now every time you are analyzing your market and you're going into the trade, you have to define where the market is going to. And aside that, you have to follow what the market is currently doing. All right. There is no answer that is correct or wrong in this response, but then let's see it from the perspective of an intraday trader. Now, look at the daily time frame. What can you say is the dealing range? What is the current range price is dealing with? You have to establish that, and that is this here to here, right? That is the current dealing range. If you look at this carefully, you're going to see that we have price at premium, price at discount. Where is price currently from this dealing range? Let me know from your comments. Where is it currently on this dealing range? Where it is. Let me know, type it, let me know whether you know exactly what you're doing. Where is price currently on this dealing range? Premium, yes, premium, yes, premium, yes, premium, 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 premium. Beautiful. It is located currently at premium. Now, this is the confidence we have. How many of you can tell me what this thing is called in ICT concept? Can any of you see this guy? This three candle price action? Massively, right? How many of you can tell me what their names are? They have a name. Yes, they have a name. I want you to tell me the name. What is the name of this price action? It is part of your 7 institutional reference point. What is the name? Liquidity void. Correct. I know this is somebody from my mentorship community. And for those of you who want to be mentored, you don't want to struggle, you want to be mentored. Mentorship actually takes away struggle for you. You can reach out to me on WhatsApp. There are some things that you can learn easily because you are under a mentor. Well, this is called a liquidity void. And from our understanding is that whenever you see a liquidity void, price will try as much as possible to fill it up. Liquidity void is basically called imbalance. Why? Because inside that liquidity void, you're going to see a lot of fair value gaps. And what we call an imbalance is a fair value gap. All right. We have so many of it. Now, price doesn't feel happy moving away without filling up this void. Do you know what a void is? A void is an anomaly. So we want to see price balance it at least to 50% of the range. And that is the balance price range, right? The balance price range is basically the 50. I mean, I didn't say balance. Did I say balance price range? Sorry about that. That is the dealing range. Want to see price come to the equilibrium point, not the balance price range, the equilibrium point, and this is exactly where we want to see price come to at least 50% of this price range or dealing range. You see it, equilibrium, right? So until we come here, we still consider this price action as what? Bearish. As bearish from here, shifting structure, price is now facing downward from the daily time frame. Okay, do you now see it? Liquidity void is about to be filled to at least 50%, and I'm so sure that price, the moment price will come here, it will even target up to this guy. You now see why I consider this as a bearish market. Don't get me wrong. If you go to the higher time frame, price is still bullish. If you are in my community, you will have had the privilege of learning how to do intermarket analysis and get to know how these things are done correctly. All right. These things are done correctly. But then, notwithstanding, you can still learn some few things here. So The moment you see this, you are sure that price is going to come to the equilibrium. All right. So that was the progression of my analysis. And today, coming down to the 4 hour time frame, I looked at this correctly. And I remember some few days back, I told my students that we're going to have a bearish movement because price actually traded into this fair value gap. I said it clearly that price was going to trade into this fair value gap on Monday and sorry, on Tuesday, and price traded down to this area. Look at what is happening today. Can you say price is bullish? Price is still bearish because we have a new break of structure bearish here. This is it, break of structure bearish. So with all this, I was supporting my analysis with an entry on the lower time frame. That was why I went to the 15-minute time frame. Please watch this video again if you missed anything. I went to the 15 minutes time frame and I saw another very interesting price action. Look at this. This is it. Can you see this price action? We have a breakout structure bearish here. All right. If you look at it very closely. And we were left with what? A fair value gap and a bearish mitigation block, which price traded into. Price came back right into this guy, and I went to the 5-minute time frame. I took this trade, the first trade I am taking after a long time break, like 2 weeks break. All right, actually traveled as for something. Now look at this. Price came right up here, and I saw this. Look at this carefully. I saw this price action around here. Around here. Price having a shifted market structure. Inside, after touching my point of interest on the 5-minute, I have a market structure shift here. The entry was so precise for me. And when price was coming back, it came right up to this area. I took the trade around here. Let me show you. Where's the shot? Okay, around here. That was where I took the trade, around here. And I was just targeting the draw on liquidity below here. Here. But the purpose of this video is not about the entry. I will talk about entry sometimes, but then it was just the exit. My stop loss was right there. Let me show you. All right, stop loss was right here, around 15 pips actually, around 15 pips. All right, and my target is just this draw on liquidity. Now look at this. When I took this trade, I was actually happy in the trade. All right, I was actually happy. Guys, is my audio clear? Is my audio clear? This is Euro USD, guys. This is Euro USD. It's Euro USD. You can actually see it right on the right left-hand corner. But let me type it for some of you. Let me go to watermark and give it a watermark. It's Euro USD, all right? You can see it from the watermark. All right, Euro USD. So please don't get confused. So I was in the trade. I saw the first break of structure bearish. All right, break of structure bearish. Now it's interesting to look at this and start making decisions. Now look at this. Do you see it? Break of structure bearish, right? That was when I moved my stop loss to break even. Every time I am taking trade, the moment I see the first break of structure, I move my stop loss to break even, especially if I am monitoring the trade. Why? Because I am simply doing intraday trading. I don't own the market, right? So that I can protect myself. So this trade was supposed to give me a total of how many pips? About 47 or 50 pips. And I was risking 15 pips, all right? That's like 1:3, 1:2, and some little addition. Okay, thank you, guys. Thank you, guys. No, guys, I'm not going to analyze your peer. I'm just showing you how to exit trade. Now, here is the most important detail. Please, guys, if you want to talk to me personally, you can reach out to me on WhatsApp. And then For those of you who don't have a broker of your choice, I personally recommend Hot Forex, but do your research on them. Hot Forex, the link is going to be in the description of this video. You can register with HFM. If you register with HFM under my link, you can send me a message on WhatsApp with proof of registration and funding, and then I have a gift for you. All right, HFM. The link is in the description of this video. So let's come back to the detail here. Now, notice what was happening. I was watching this trade and I was okay. While I was doing something else, I was looking at it. Look at this. Can you see this one? Now, look at this very carefully. This is where a lot of you get, you get to have some money and give it back to the market. The moment I saw a shifted market structure, what did we say about shifting market structure? Every time you see market structure shift, what happens? What happens? What happens? What happens, guys? When you see a shift in market structure coming in, it means price is about to establish a new direction. And it happened here. Is it wise for me to leave my entry? It's not wise for me. As an intraday trader, I quickly took the profit I have made, a little profit, and then I was out of the market. I said, oops, I was going to see it. Two things: trend continuation. For trend continuation, is that how you spell continuation? For a trend continuation, you want to see price keeps giving you a BOS. All right? BOS. When you see price giving a BOS continuously, it means price is going to continue with trend. All right? But when price is about to discontinue, or when trend is about to discontinue, you're going to see discontinuation. Is that how you spell it? Trend discontinuation. Okay, I made a mistake there. All right. For a trend discontinuation, you're going to see something called market structure shift. All right. Okay. Market structure shift. MSS. So when you are taking a trade and you see something like this, you have to take notice of that. When you see MSS, it means there is this continuation of that trend. When you see BOS, it means there is continuation. Is that understood? All right. Yes. Is that understood? Did you understand this? When trend is continuing with that direction, you're going to see BOS, series of BOS. But the moment you see MSS, stay away from it. Okay. Somebody said I should come again. You're not my student, but let me show you that. When you have when you have this one, let's give you this one for example. Can you see this trend? We have a market structure shift and price is coming. We have the first break of structure here, right? Second break of structure here. Why is this not on drawing mode? Second break of structure here, right? And here a shift in structure. What did you see? What did you learn from that? Price had a first break of structure here. Second break of structure. And what did we see? Market structure shift. After the market structure shift happened, what did you see? Price changed direction. So that was the logic I was using. When you have a shift in structure, it is an indication that price is going to change direction. So anything you're doing, imagine somebody that has been on this trade. I'm going to make a video on this, please don't worry. Imagine somebody that has been on this trade here. Let's say you entered this trade somewhere from here, and then your TP is somewhere here, and price has moved up to this level, at least to this area. But you saw this market structure shift and you refuse to close your trade. Look at what will happen. Price will come back and remove you at break even. Did you see it? Did you see this? Have you learned this? I'm not going to tell you the time frame. Yeah, don't worry. It's going to be, I'm going to put it in the description. Don't worry. After this video, it's going to be in the description of this video. But then all I'm saying is that when you see this, is an indication that price is about to turn direction. It's an indication that price is about to turn direction. What's the difference between church and market structure? It's the same thing. It's just different words. Change instead of delivery, change of structure, change in market structure or change of character is the same thing. It's just different people coming with unique names. All right. It's just market structure shift, but then giving it another name. Is that understood? All right. So this is why a lot of you will make money and then leave it for the market to come and pick it up. Make money, leave it for the market to come and pick it up. Now, I want you guys to do me one favor. Make sure you share my YouTube link with at least 5 of your friends that are trading Forex. 5 of your friends that are trading Forex. That is the only favor I will ask from you. If you want to keep going with me, you want to keep watching my videos, you want to keep learning these things. These are things I've paid a lot of money, a lot of money. No, I'm not talking about entry now. It cost me a lot to learn these things, but then I'm giving you guys for free. And for those of you who will need an accountability mentorship and one-on-one mentorship with me, you can reach out to me on WhatsApp. I'm going to charge you, but then you're not going to regret it. Yes, I'm going to charge you money, but you're not going to regret it. If you want to try it alone, you can try it, but then everybody has a price to pay to the market. If you pay a mentor, you make money with stress-free knowledge. But if you decide to learn with experience, you either pay through your hardship in learning. All right. So that was what I saw. And I what exited the trade when I saw this market structure shift. And that is what you should be learning when you are doing this. Now, price shifted structure. And trust me, it's not because it's something, but it is the right thing to do. It is the right thing to do. Now, look at this. Is this not a setup for a buy? Is this not a setup for a buy? Shifting structure, market structure shift right there. What do you have? A mitigation block, right? So that was what I was trying to tell you. Do you see it? That's the setup. I'm not saying you should buy this. It's all the odds that I wanted you to see. It's not a signal for you to buy. I'm just showing you the odds. Since you don't see the future, you do what is supposed to be done at the right time so that when it is happening, you can have an idea, or you can have, or you can even learn from what is happening. It's possible that price will come down and trade down here, but what you are having here is a setup for a bullish movement. Do you see it? Do you see it? I will have teach you something here, but I will reserve it for another day. And if we can get enough people join this YouTube channel, I promised you that I'm going to get you more and more secrets that will help you learn this. So lastly, don't forget, invite your friends, share this YouTube video link, share my YouTube link with your friends, at least 5 of them, share it in your community. Let's come and conquer this market. All right. Let's come and is there a mentorship for volatility course? Everything we teach covers everything. I did $100 to $12,000 last 2 weeks on synthetics. Yes, I'm not lying about it. I show my students, they have seen it. My students have seen it. Yes, if you are a student of mine, you can tell them in the comments. I showed you guys where I made $12,000 from $100 profit. In profit, I showed you guys clearly. And what if you already have an account with HFM? It's fine if you have an account. If you don't have an account with HFM, please create one with the link I will place in the description of this video. I will come back with a detailed video on this subject matter because this is a live session. I will make a video on it so that you can watch it. Keep the video, keep watching it and learn, especially those of you who are intraday traders. Okay, guys, so let me be leaving you guys and see you guys later. I will come your way. and my book is about to be ready. The book is more of graphics. I told you that there is nothing, it's not write-ups, it's more of graphics so that you will see and practice what is there. Let me show you just an overview of what is there, and we'll call it a day. All right. It's not going to cost much, $10, and you're going to have access to the book. $10 is what you will pay, and the knowledge there is massive. Yes, you're going to learn entries, exit, practical example, um, that will help you to understand this market clearly. Clearly, all right. So let me show you that. So this is the book, right? I'm still working on that. Um, you are going to enjoy a lot of things in this book, right? Graphics representation of everything. Get ready. It should be ready by the end of this week. It's because I've been busy that I've not been able to finish it. Graphical representation of everything. You're going to see it. More of graphics. Forex is not just write-ups, write-ups, write-ups. It's more of practical stuff, all right? So get ready for that. $10 is what you're going to pay to get this book for the first 1 month of this PDF, for the first 1 month of the establishment, you know? So I am charging for this because it's taking my time. Actually, anything that takes my time, I will have to charge for it. All right. I I will get you guys this book ready the moment it is available. So guys, I would like to exit this session now and see you guys when I come back later.